Good evening, everyone. Alice here from Vancouver Financial Network. Today is November 1st, 2020. I'm coming with technical analysis for gold and silver, especially for this coming week. We will have election and we will have lots of volatility into precious metals market. Let's go to chart, see what charts tells us. Okay, here is the daily chart for gold, and if you see gold is a trend channeling down, and it's kind of like breaking this trend line here, which is here, pivot low, pivot low, pivot low here, and we are below this trend line here. We are channeling down, and we are still into this support area, as we have mentioned like last week in our channel. We are in this area that I'm expecting price still going down. If we break down this 1848, which is September low, we are heading down to 1789 to 1811, which is fantastic, I believe, which is fantastic buying area for gold, especially when we have this trend line here. You see this cyan dotted trend line here, pivot low here, pivot low here. We break through bounce. That was just volatility to the market in March. And we are going higher and closer to this area. This is one reason. Another one reason is 200 moving average support is coming along here. The other one is kind of like this support for this channel actually ended up to this area as well. So it's gonna be a massive support area for gold, and I'm waiting for gold. I'm not taking any action. I'm just looking for a good setup for gold to take a long position, to be honest, not a short gold. Well, you could short gold actually. I was just nibbling to the short position here and took my profit very shortly. But to be honest, this is very bearish pattern here. It's like a bearish consolidation. If we go above 1898, probably we will see another leg up. Let me just extend this trend line a little bit, and here. So if we break through this moving average and this trend line and this like 58, there are lots of resistance here as well. So gold, I believe, is going down to this area. And when gold is going down, it means the dollar is gonna get strong. If dollar is getting strong, there are a couple of reasons for that. First of all, we may see no stimulus deal package, or interest rate is gonna go higher, which is not gonna be like a chance, at least for now. There is another reason is stock market is selling off sharply. If the stock market is selling off sharply, then dollar is getting strong because lots of people just panicking and sell off their stocks and cash out whatever they have. And when they are cashing out, there are lots of demand for real dollar, like a US dollar, and that's gonna strength and give strength to that dollar index, and dollar is gonna be strong again. So that's why I believe if dollar is going down, if dollar is going up, gold is gonna roll over down to here to this level, but it's not gonna last like for like, I don't know, 2-3 months. It's gonna be pretty quick bounce, and then just hit this line here, and then bouncing back, probably test twice, and then massive rally to upside. That's what I believe. Actually, it's gonna be the case scenario. I'm just looking for another leg down for gold to take a long position. This is going to be a good opportunity for us to take long position. However, we will have like lots of supports down there, but it's very far away from the price now. Right now price is 1883, and if we break down to 1848, which is going to be like another $40, and if we are getting down, we're breaking through, we are going to see like 1811, something like that, and that's going to be interesting, guys. That's going to be very interesting. Let's go to silver and have a look. Silver, what's the silver? This is my favorite chart. Silver is doing fantastic. This is March low, and this is a pivot line here. This is pivot line here, and we just break through. We are testing this area, but we are not testing September low. If we break down, We're going to 1887, 1949, and that's going to be another opportunity for long silver. And I'm really hope silver actually goes down all the way down, which is going to be like another $3, but that's going to be a very, very good opportunity if you're long for silver. Still we're above this pivot low here. This is parabolic move, still needs to work on that. And if you go to weekly chart of silver, I'm going to show you something. Here is the silver weekly chart. We are breaking through this trend line here. This is a trend line, this is bullish trend line, this is a choppy consolidation. But still, if we are above this area, we're going to be on the long side. And look at this. This is 50 moving average, which is going to be a simple moving average, which is going to be for weekly. And this one just comes along, and that area, the one that I show you in daily chart, which is going to be 1957, which is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity here if the price goes down here. And that's going to be lots of support here. You see here this pivot high, pivot high here. And here is going to be very, very nice support here. And I believe if silver goes down, that's going to be very, very good opportunity. However, we are positive now. We don't know how things actually going to be unfold for next 2-3 days. We will have volatility into the market. We will have election on Tuesday. So stay tuned for lots of volatility, choppy price action. Hopefully it gives us like a nice setup for long position. I'm not interested in short position at all. I know that I'm looking for here, but I'm not going to short silver from here to here and then buy back. Probably I would rather buy expensive rather than buying here, or buying here is the best, or buying here or shorting here. This is kind of no man's land. This is inside bar, choppy, bearish consolidation, and I believe it's going to go lower if we are not closing above this line, which is gonna be here. Let me show you guys. If you are not closing any weekly or even daily, that would be great, but any close above 25.13 for silver, that's gonna be a bearish sign for this inside bar, and we are going down, heading down, and hopefully it's going to 1865. All right. This is all for precious metals. It's very, very short, but we will have like a choppy market, as I say. Be careful with the price action, and hope we will get something soon. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.